Hello Sparkitans, welcome back to Spark. Today we are going to trace the letters K, L, M, N and O. Are you ready? Grab your pencil and book. Let's have some fun. Let's start with K. This is the letter K. Now we will trace it step by step. Starting from the top, draw one standing line. Now draw one left slanting line like this. And again, draw a right slanting line. It's K. Now let's trace it together one more time. Start tracing slowly. No need to rush. Now take your paper and trace this letter K on it. Now we will see three words that start with K. Kangaroo, kite, knife. Great job with K. Now let's move to L. This is the letter L. Let's trace it together. Start from the top, draw one standing line down. And now draw a sleeping line. That's it. It's letter L. Let's trace one more time together. It's very easy. Children, take your pencil and book and trace the letter L. Now we will see three words that start with L. Lion, leaf, lemon. Wow, great job with L. Now let's move to M. This is the letter M. Now let's trace it together, children. Start from the top, draw a standing line. Then draw another standing line like this. Now draw two slanting lines like this so that they meet at a point. Let's trace it one more time together, children. Start tracing slowly. No need to rush. Now you try. Take your pencil and book and trace the letter M. If you make a mistake, just try again. Now let's think of three words that start with M. Monkey, moon, mango. Bye bye M. Now it's time for N. This is the letter N. Let's trace it slowly. First draw a standing line. Next draw another standing line like this. Now draw one right slanting line down like this. It's N. Wow children, you are doing great. Give yourself a big clap. Let's trace it one more time. Do it slowly, children. Now, take your pencil and book and trace the letter N. Show this to your parents. Now, let's see three words that start with N. Nest, nose, newspaper. Great job with N. Now, let's move to O. This is letter O. Let's trace it now. It's very easy to trace. Just draw a small circle like this. Let's trace it one more time. Trace it slowly. Now take your pencil and paper and trace the letter O on it. Now we will see three words that start with O. Orange, owl, ostrich. What an awesome tracing journey today. You have mastered K, L, M, N and O. Remember to practice these letters. Next time we will trace P, Q, R, S and T. Click the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss it. See you soon and happy tracing, children. Bye.